This is DOOGEE T30 Pro, and today I will show how you can set up the portable Wi-Fi hotspot feature on this device. To start, you will need to launch Settings. Here find and enter the Network and Internet category, then at the SIM card section open the Hotspot and Tethering Wi-Fi hotspot. So here's the toggle to enable it. Once enabled, you can share its QR code for easier connection. You can also change its SSID or the Wi-Fi network or hotspot name. You can switch the security protocol that it will be guarded with. You can change the hotspot password, enable or disable the turn off hotspot automatically option, and enable or respectively disable the extend compatibility here. And well, as far as the hotspot goes, that will be more or less it, guys. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.